Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this high definition look on CapCut PC. Now there is an easier way to just put the filter there, but that means you can't adjust it. So you are going to go to Effects and you're going to select Comic, so it's under Video Effects. Actually we have to select the blur first, so go to Lens and add in the blur effect to the whole video, or just where you want it really. And then we are going to go to Comic and we're going to add in the black and white sketch to it. And on the blur I'm just going to turn it down to, actually let's put the blur on top of the filter instead. So put the blur on top of the effect. Then I'm just going to copy and paste the video next to each other, and then I'm going to copy and paste the blur as well. Then I'm going to add in the neon one next to it, like so. Then I'm just going to copy and paste the original video next to that. Select these three, right click, create compound clip, and you're going to do the same for the next one. You're just going to layer it on top of each other like so. And on the black and white sketch layer, go to blend mode and choose color burn, and for the other one choose color dodge. It's gonna look weird, but you're just going to adjust it. Oh, it's the opposite, sorry. On the neon one, I think you're going to use color burn. And then on this one, you're going to use color dodge. There you go. That looks better. Now, you are going to just adjust the opacity if it's too weird looking. So just adjust it a little bit. And just kind of work with the video. If that's too much, just again adjust. Just keep on adjusting. Then you're going to select the original video. Select adjustment, which is here, and you're going to select sharpen. I think I did that already, that's why it looks a little bit off, but make sure you sharpen it after you've put in the effect. And this is what it should look like. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!